विसवा उपरांत परत एकदां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. ताज हॉटेल ग्रुपा खातीर उज्या पासून सुरक्षा आनी उज्या आड आपतकालीन वेळार कशें झुजचें ह्या बाबतींत पणजी अग्निशामक दळान प्रशिक्षणाक सुरवात केल्या. ह्या कोर्साचें शेनवारा उक्तावण जालें. आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Everybody is chosen and selected like each of you. So it's extremely important that each of you take advantage of this opportunity, learn as much as you can, and then share this back with your colleagues and deliver to your hotels. We all know that safety is extremely important, and fire safety in particular. Our company today is driving safety in a very big way. We have audits. So far we had announced audits. Now starting this year, no announced audits, unannounced. So we need to be prepared for safety every minute. An accident doesn't announce itself. It comes unannounced. So being prepared, being ready, and most important, to be preventing it is important. And
our associations with the Taj Group hotels goes back to 1986 when I was a training officer. I remember training much and I was a junior officer then. I was just 23, 24 years old. And I was a taskmaster. So training is in our blood, and training keeps you abreast with the latest things what's happening. So I'm happy that after taking over charge in 2006, we have been continuing this training program for almost 31 years, and we have trained almost 1,000 odd trainings of the Taj Group of hotels. Keeping aside the other training programs for semi-government, Government of India, the states, union territories, and now within Goa, we have the training program for the village panchayats, for the teachers training program, for junior teachers who is teaching children from class 1 to class 4. So we are doing various activities in this training program.